Let's make chocolate chip cookie bars. I have everything ready to go, but I need to focus on my pan first. You can use an 8x8 pan, but today I'm going to be using a 1/4 sheet pan. Line it with foil by measuring the foil to make sure it fits. Fold it so it's the right size. Spray the pan, press the foil into the pan, then spray it again so the cookies can't stick. First, for my liquid ingredients. We're going to cube up some butter, and I'm going to microwave it until the butter is just melted. Depending on the temperature of your butter, this can take a few rounds of microwaving. You want to do this gradually so it doesn't pop in the microwave. Once it's melted, you can add your other liquid ingredients. For our sugar, we're just going to dip and sweep to level it off. For our brown sugar, we're going to need to press this into the measuring cup before leveling it off. It should look like a sandcastle if you do this correctly. Since we're doing 3/4 of a cup, we need to do a 1/2 cup plus a 1/4. We're also adding some vanilla and an egg. Whisk those together to make them slightly fluffy. They're going to go from a darker color to a slightly lighter color as air is added. Once it looks like this, we can add our dry stuff. First, let's measure it in a separate bowl. Spoon in your flour and level it off. We want to keep it nice and fluffy. Add some salt and some baking soda to make it rise. Add your dry ingredients to your liquid ingredients and mix them with a rubber scraper until they're almost fully combined. Then add your chocolate chips or other mix-ins. Fold those together until the dough is fully mixed. It should look like this. Transfer your dough to your prepared pan. Next, spread it out into an even, thin layer. Remember, these will puff up slightly, so it's okay if it's not very tall. Bake this in an oven until they're golden brown. If you want to top it with anything like I am here with these Easter eggs, you can do that now. Once they're slightly cool, run a knife along the sides of the pan and lift it out using the foil. Once they're completely cool, you can remove the foil from the cookies. You can also cut it on top of the foil and remove the foil piece by piece, but I find it to be easier to cut them when they're cold. Slice up your cookies, and now you have the best chocolate chip cookie bars.